If you are a vintage camera lover, you are the resistance and you're in the right place. You need to know the condition of the shutter in your camera. This is how you check it. This is the kit. You need an LED torch or flashlight. Same thing. You need one of these testing devices. This is the front display. This is the on and off button. This is the battery chamber at the bottom. This is where I got it from. This is the light sensor. This is the LED. This is a battery chamber. It takes a 9-volt battery. It lasts forever. This is a beautiful mint condition Rolleiflex which I repaired 2 days ago. I'm now going to check the shutter. I've removed the back panel, which is easily done. We have to put this device in the center of the picture frame. Horizontal is not a problem, but the height has to be right too. I'm using these USB flash drive boxes, which have a lid and a base, and that gives you 3 combinations of height. So the height seems to be fine now. Horizontally, I've centered it. Now for the flashlight. It has to be centered on the lens. In a TLR, it's the bottom one. Select one of your shutter speeds. For example, this one is 125. We're checking this one. Wind and fire. Simple as that. Read the result on the LED. This one is 139, which is pretty good. You should be able to live with that without any change. No adjustment required. Here's another one. The first Contax. Beautiful mint condition. This is the camera that was competing with the first Leica. In many ways, more advanced. Wind to charge the shutter. This is a garage door kind of metal shutter. Adjust the height and width so it's exactly in the center of the film frame. Shoot. I'm expecting this to be slow, like all cameras of its generation. Yes, it's very slow. 1/60th is giving 1/7 of a second. This is a very important historic item. I'm not going to attempt repair. I'm going to keep it as it is. Here's another one. Contax S2. The last of its series. A much more modern camera, but fully mechanical. Open the back. Wind. Usually set the aperture to the widest. So start up again, center it precisely, and shoot. This was set for 125 on the shutter and it gives you 128. That's amazingly accurate. Let's try the fastest speed. These are always questionable and you just accept that. 4000 gives me 2500. I'm not going to worry about that. Almost all of these cameras are the same at the highest speed. So here you are, 3 cameras, 3 different generations, and the shutter has been tested. Usually vintage camera shutters are too slow. For 1 or 2 stops of inaccuracy, I would never attempt repair. It's fine. Just make a mental note and go with it. If the shutter is 1 stop too slow, you make an adjustment on the shutter or aperture. Alternatively, you can make an adjustment on the ISO setting. That's it. Subscribe means thank you. Come back for more.